They don't look real, these waxwings. They look like something you might see on a Christmas tree, tucked in among the boughs and the colored lights. But there were 100 or so of them gorging on mountain ash berries and pin cherries in the schoolyard in Elnora. They are just impossibly pretty. I watched them for a while and then headed back out onto the prairie to the south of town, driving east of Huxley, east of Three Hills. Saw one of the last of the snowy owls out there. And the silence out there, away from the sound of the waxwings, with no wind blowing, was utterly complete. Even the antelope were relaxing. I saw this big buck yawn. First time I've ever seen anything like that. I drove on past Orkney and down into the Red Deer River Valley, back up onto the plains again. As the sun was going down, I was thinking about those waxwings. Yeah, they really don't look real. But they are.